Hello friends. In this video, we will learn what changes will happen in your body and what benefits you will get by doing 2 minutes of plank exercise daily. Nowadays, both online and offline sources talk about different benefits of length exercises, which makes many people want to understand plank exercises properly and know their advantages. In this video, you will get answers to all the questions related to plank exercises. First, we will quickly tell you how to perform plank exercises correctly so that you can gain all the benefits and avoid any injuries. After that, we will discuss the 9 amazing benefits of plank exercises. How to perform plank correctly. To perform the plank in the correct form, first, you need to get into a push-up position and create a 90-degree angle with your hands. Keep your feet together and ensure your body remains straight from your legs to your hips, meaning you should not bend your knees. This helps engage your core muscles properly. Similarly, from your hip area to your head, your body should remain completely straight, allowing your core to stay engaged. Maintaining a straight line posture is essential for performing plank exercises correctly. Now that you know how to perform the plank properly, if you are doing it on the floor, you may feel discomfort due to placing your hands and feet on the ground. In that case, you can use a yoga mat, but it should not be too soft, or else your form might get affected. You can check the description box of this video for a link to buy a yoga mat for planking. 9 amazing benefits of plank exercise. Trains your core and helps build abs. When you perform a plank, multiple core muscles engage, including erector spinae, transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, longissimus, multifidus, and internal and external obliques. Training these muscles helps in getting defined abs and obliques. Strengthening these muscles also improves other body functions, such as relieving lower back pain, improving balance, flexibility, and stamina, and reducing injury risks. Improves overall health and fitness. Planking daily enhances overall health and fitness. Since multiple muscles engage and get trained at the same time, they become stronger and more toned. This helps in making your body function better and stay fit. Boost metabolism. A 2-minute plank can help improve metabolism. A better metabolism helps in toning the body and building muscles. Planking is very effective for metabolism, and if combined with burpees and mountain climbers, it can boost metabolism even faster. To improve metabolism, you should also follow a healthy diet and drink enough water. Improves body posture. If you have a sitting job or your work requires you to sit for long hours, it can ruin your body posture. This makes you look bad while standing or walking. Planking engages your lower back muscles and lumbar spine, helping to keep your back straight. Even when you are not exercising, your posture remains good. Increases flexibility. Regular 2-minute plank exercises improve flexibility. This makes daily activities much easier. This happens because planking engages deep posterior muscles like shoulders, collarbone, hamstrings, and hip muscles. Other muscles like hamstrings, glutes, and back muscles also get trained. Increasing flexibility improves mental health. Apart from physical health, planking daily for 2 minutes also benefits mental health. This is because the muscle groups responsible for tension and stress get activated during planking. As a result, the body stops retaining tension and stress, helping to reduce stress, depression, and anxiety, prevents back pain and spinal injuries. Planking strengthens the back muscles, reducing lower back pain. It also lowers the risk of back injuries, especially the lower back muscles get much stronger. Improves body balance. If you struggle to balance on one foot or find it difficult to maintain balance in certain positions, weak abdominal muscles might be the reason. Planks target the entire abdominal region, improving overall body balance. This helps you perform daily activities, sports, and other exercises better. Enhances mood. Planking releases endorphins, which help in boosting mood and making you feel good. When your flexibility, stability, and mental health improve, you also handle social situations better. As a result, you can manage relationships and friendships more effectively. For more real and detailed videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to like the video.